We are now going to find equations just from 2 points. We're going to revisit what is our slope formula.
y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x
Equals
m.
m. And we know based upon the last lesson that you can take that and you can convert it into point slope form. How do we put it in point slope form?
x2 or y2 minus
y1 equals m parentheses x2 minus x1.
Yes, and we get that because we multiplied this over here and then over here, right? Because it'll cancel out on the left side and we move it to the right, which is where we get our point slope form.
Oh my goodness.
Okay?
That was in the video, Grace? No, I did, but it was like confusing in the video. I was super tired yesterday.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to write down the steps over here. Please do the same. First step, find the slope with slope formula. You can go after notes, and I'll take that after notes. I'm sorry.
You gave me the pass.
You can go at when my discretion. Go sit in the back and do your notes, please. And use 2 points, right? So that's how you're going to find the slope. The second step is you're going to plug slope and 1 point into point slope equation. And then from there, you will change from point slope to slope-intercept. Form. So if you ever get confused, here's your step-by-step guide, okay? I think, number 1, the wording's a little wonky, but you'll understand what I mean in a second. So let's take a look at number 1. Everyone have that copied down?
Yes.
All right. So we need to find the slope, and our slope formula is
y2 minus y1 x2 minus x1 equals m.
x1, y1, x2, y2. So I'm going to do -1 minus 7 over 1 minus a -3. What does that change that to? Plus 3. -1 minus 7 is 1 plus 3.
-2.
So m equals -2. Now we're going to look at that point slope formula. And we're going to pick 1 point. Which point would you like to do?
Second one. First one. No, dose.
We'll do the first, -3, 7. It's okay. We'll do yours too. So then we'll do y minus 7 equals -2 times x plus 3. Yep, good. So we distribute. So we get y minus 7 equals -2x plus 6. Now,
y equals -2x plus 1.
we add the 7. Y equals -2x.
Minus 15.
Oh, Miss Wysocki, I think you made a mistake right here. -6.
Wait,
It's supposed to be -6.
Grace.
Yep.
What's your grade in that? I'm not sure. Letter grade.
All right. But now let's take a look if we were to choose to do 0.11. Okay? So I'm going to do y minus, which will be plus 1, equals -2 times x minus 1. You don't have to do both, but I'm just showing you what happens. Okay? First step, we distribute. So y plus 1 equals,
Negative 2x plus 2.
and then I'm going to,
Minus 1. Y equals negative 2x plus 1. Oh my goodness, it's the same answer.
oh my gosh, you guys, math is absolutely magical. Right?
Yeah.
Look at that. How cool is it that those points, after you found the slope between the two, it doesn't matter which one you use. You'll get the same answer. So never stress about that part. Okay? Number 2. Yes, I know every class has noticed the 6, 7. Every class. You guys. Okay. Let's first find our slope. Negative 4 minus a negative 7, which is a plus 7, all over.
3 plus 6.
So in the numerator we get,
9. 3 over 9 equals 1.
so m is, and I like to put m equals 1 over 3. Okay, because usually when you're solving these problems, I'm going to ask you what your slope is, and if you put m equals, then you've identified your slope. If you just leave it, you have not identified your slope.
Can we use the first point? Yeah, 6, 7.
Yep, let's use 6, 7. So we get y plus 7 equals 1 over 3 x plus 6. Do we all understand why it's plus here? Because it's a double negative. Yep, good. Okay, let's distribute. What do we get? Y plus 7 equals.
1/3 x plus 2.
Now what are we going to do with the 7?
Minus.
So we get y equals 1 over 3 x minus 5. And if you used 3, negative 4, you would have gotten the same answer. Okay?
We didn't use it.
We did not. Let's look at number 5. First step.
Find slope.
Okay, so we're going to do
Negative 5 minus 1 and over 0 plus 8.
Why would it be 0 plus 8?
Because the 8 is already
minus a negative. Makes it a positive. So what is your slope?
Negative. 3/4. Negative 3/4.
Negative 3 over 4. Which point you want to use?
Let's go for Sarah and Cinco.
Yes. We're going to do 0 because whenever you see a 0, you want to make sure to use that as one of your points because it's going to make solving easier. Okay, you're going to skip a step. So we're going to do y plus 5 equals negative 3 over 4.
Parentheses x.
But we don't have to put 0, right?
Yeah. You just need negative 3 over 4 then x.
And now we just minus the 5. So we get y equals negative 3 over 4 x minus 5. But we're not going to stop there. Now I want you to also put it into standard form. So what's our first step?
Plus 3 over 4x.
Oh my gosh, wait, standard form's the hardest for me.
Actually, Grace, it's pretty.
I said for me.
3 over 4 x plus y equals negative 5. Now what do I do?
Times negative 4.
Not negative.
4.
Just times 4 because there's no negative on the x. So now I get 3x plus 4y equals negative 20. So we remember that our x cannot be a fraction and it cannot be negative. Can y be a fraction?
Yes.
Can it be negative?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so can c. All right, last problem we're going to do as a class. Okay? 7. What? Plus 8 all over 2 plus 3, which we get 15 over 5.
Get 3.
So m equals 3. Which point do you want to use?
Let's go with the second one.
We definitely want to use the second one because if we can use all positive numbers, then we're not having to mess up changing any signs. Okay? This is just one that for most people will be easier to just plug in. So we're going to go y minus 7.
Equals 3 parentheses x minus 2.
Okay, let's distribute. So you get y minus 7 equals
3x minus 6. Plus 7.
so 6 plus 7,
Yeah, it's not funny, stop.
3x plus 1. Okay, again, let's now take that and put it into standard form. First step.
Subtract 3x. Negative 3x plus y equals 1.
Am I done?
No, you have to find -1.
Times all of it by -1. So we get
3x minus y equals -1. I said it first. I'm just kidding, Grace.